Hello guys, what is going on? It's Martin D18 here, and today we're going to be taking a look at my first attempt using the building mechanics inside the camp in Fallout 76. It's my first attempt. The footage is taken from my stream, so I'm just going to let it play out, and please enjoy. And we're going to start building. Floors can go anywhere, which is pretty good. When you're on an unlevel ground, like so. Where's my limit? There's my limit. So I'm going to build a building right on the edge. Start with one. 2. Okay, I can't go any more that way. 3. So that's not on the floor now, is it? I'm not going to go to on that end because it's out. Okay. Won't go that way. Can go that way. So this can just be one building for now. And if we go walls, this is just going to be a tiny little. Right, now we need. So we got all sorts of different crazy funky shit with this. That's not what we want though, we want doors. Oh wow, oh okay. That's pretty cool. Doors. Oh, so wait, I have to make a wall. Wait, are you telling me I don't have any doors? No, I do, I just don't have any walls to put a door on. Is what you're telling me. There's that. Then we can put a door there. Very nice. And then we want roofs. Just gonna put a flat roof on it. Okay. So if I go to stairs, what sort of stairs have we got? So they can go there. Now if we go up top, we have a second floor. Very nice. Boom. Ah, I fell. Bump, 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 bump. Do I want extra floor, extra floors? That's the question. Yeah, I'm gonna go for a 3-story. So we'll try and put stairs again. I don't think it'll let us actually because of the hole that's already underneath. Okay. That's pretty cool though, so we'll keep it at this for now. Then we're gonna want in here the I'm not gonna lie, the fucking controls are a bit shit. Armor workbench, we definitely want one of those. Oh bollocks. E to edit. So put it there like that. And then we're gonna want this one. What's this one? A weapons workbench. Okay. Turrets, obviously. Where is the actual camp? Here. Build, so we want turrets. One there. One there. One there. Can't fit one on that corner. Oh shit, I need stairs to get into my house. We'll also have a turret inside in case somebody wants to be an asshole. Okay, stairs I need to do. Doors, stairs. Oh, that'll do. Okay, so we've done crafting, we've done defences. Those are the only turrets. Oh, I can move stuff now. Okay. Generators. I'm not going to need that right now, am I? Lights. Requires power. Well, I've got no power and it's working fine, so. I need a roof on this bit, man. Right, what else have we got? Food, water, resources. The water. Can't build that because we need the plans. Produces 17 milk fruit an hour. Or blackberries, sorry. Produces what? 13 something an hour. These are all things we need to unlock. Appliances, beds. Find the plans to build a raised bed. Sleeping bag. I'm not even going to bother with a sleeping bag for now. Chairs. Ah, we'll have some chairs, man. Some of these. Oh shit. Chairs there. Stash boxes. Of course we want our stash. What the hell? So F and G can rotate it as well. Why is my stash off center is the annoying thing. So we chuck the stash. Oh, where's it gone? We chuck the stash there. Floor decor. Yeah, look at this. Oh, I can't do it. Shelves, tables, wall decor. Very nice. Why do I have all these different ones? Clocks. Oh yes, the wait is over. Today is reclamation day. Boom. What else have we got? Miscellaneous structures. Okay. So this is our wonderful structure we've built. So you come up to the side, boom, open the door, in you go. We are greeted with weapons workbench, armor workbench, cooking station, stash, turret to protect the inside, some nice decor. We then go upstairs and all we have are chairs. Very nice. What can we cook? So after finishing my first building, my initial impression was that it seems a little bit easier to use than Fallout 4. It's obviously on a much smaller scale, and the build like in terms of the build area and the amount you can actually build within the area. But I kind of prefer the way it worked on 76 to Fallout 4. It's very similar, but it just feels better. I don't know how to explain it. It's very quick and easy just to make a building in your settlement. So if that's what you like, you just want to chuck up a building, then it's very, very easy to do so. But you obviously have a very low limit on what you can build, so it might seem your camp is going to be something more open than an actual building. Because I've now since then built 2 buildings and I'm actually at my camp limit. I think I have about 5 turrets as well, and I cannot build anything else. So I don't know whether it's sort of designed so your camp's supposed to be a little bit more open. It's like an actual campsite, so just a cooking station in the building. You work in the building in the middle. Your workstations around the edge, things like that, and then all that should be defended with your defences. That's the way it seems like it should be for me, but until I try, we will never know. I'm going to have to give it another try and experiment with the different camp styles and see how it works, and then hopefully make another part to this video. If you enjoyed, please drop a like and subscribe. Also follow me on Twitch and you can catch me live, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.